Updates with Practical Solutions, and today we're going to talk about organizing your garage. So many times our garage is full of things we no longer want, we don't know what to do with. Maybe a loved one passes away and leaves a lot of things that we don't know what to do with, we throw it in there. So it's easy to accumulate a lot of stuff in your garage while our valuable cars sit out on the driveway. So today we're going to talk about how to get that garage organized so you can pull that car in and get rid of all that clutter. Again, you may want to refer to some of our other videos, especially our one on keepsakes. If you've had somebody pass away, deciding what to keep, what to get rid of can be really hard. But you do want to make those decisions and try to get rid of the things you no longer want and make some space for that car. So this may be a project you want to get the whole family involved in, since they probably all have things in the garage. But the first step is obviously to simplify, which means get rid of the junk. So you also may need a trash hauler or someone to take things to donation. You want to have everything in place so you are successful. You may want an organizer to help you, and we're happy to help you with that. But you're going to sort through, get rid of all the things you no longer want and get them out. Take them to the dump, take them to the charity. Then you want to organize what's left. And so, there's holiday decorations, things like that you may want to put in containers, clearly labeled. Those can go on high shelves. They can go on those racks that come down from the ceiling, attics, wherever you want. But I try to get everything up off the ground and have those easily accessible, so when you go to organize and decorate for the holidays, everything's right there. Then other things you're going to want, again, everything up off the ground. Tools. There are some great racks. You see, I have a very limited space, so I bought one that has multiple space for multiple tools to come out. You might have more space and you want them spaced out and one hung, and they have less deep hooks, but mine have really deep hooks. Then you'll want some cabinets, because you have some things that you want to kind of hide behind closed doors, tools, things like that, but you also want them easily accessible. So for instance, you might want things in cabinets, but you also have them in containers. So this is all the paint stuff. You've got electrical cords. You've got everything contained and organized within the cabinets, not just junk thrown in there where you don't even know what it is. Make sure all of that space is, prime real estate, used well. And then hopefully at the end of the day, the floor is clear, everything's up, and you have room for your car. So that is our goal. If we can help you in any way, just let us know. We offer a free consultation. Talk to us about your project. We'll give you some information on how we can help.